Have you ever felt super motivated to start something? Maybe it's a fitness routine, studying daily, creating content, and you start strong. But then, a few days pass. Life happens and you skip a day. Then two. And suddenly, you're back where you started. Again. Yeah, me too. And it sucks. Not because you're lazy, but because you care. And yet, you can't seem to stick to it. You keep quitting before anything solid even happens. No real progress. No visible achievement. Just guilt. But here's something most people don't realize: consistency isn't about being productive every single day. It's about showing up, even on the days when you're not at your best. That's what actually separates the ones who make it from the ones who keep starting over. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to finally break that cycle, how to truly be consistent and actually achieve your goals, even if you failed 100 times before. One of the biggest reasons people stay inconsistent is this: you're trying to be perfect. You want to give 100% every single day. And the moment you can't, maybe you're tired, unmotivated, or feeling low, you beat yourself up. You feel like you failed, so you stop trying. But here's the thing: low days are normal. Everyone has them. What matters is how you respond to them. Most people quit during those days. But the people who win? They show up anyway. Not perfectly. Not at full energy. But they show up. Even if they only do 10% of what they could have done, that 10% still counts. Because they're building momentum. And momentum beats motivation. Every time. So next time you feel low, don't focus on how little you're doing. Focus on the fact that you didn't quit. That's progress too. Here's the truth most people miss: consistency isn't about doing your best every day. It's about doing something every day. On your high-energy days, go all out. But for the low days, decide in advance: what's your bare minimum? Is it 5 minutes of reading? 1 push-up? A single page of studying? Choose that beforehand. Prepare for your worst days, not just your best ones, because success isn't about intensity. It's about sustainability. So if you want to be consistent, stop waiting to feel ready. Just show up. In any capacity. Every day. No matter what. Now here's something that actually helps you stay consistent, even when motivation fades. Short-term challenges. 30-day challenges are exciting. They give your brain a finish line. They make the goal feel doable instead of overwhelming. Add visual tracking to that, like a habit tracker or calendar, and you're way more likely to stick with it. Because now, you're seeing your progress. You're reminding yourself, I've come this far. I can't stop now. It's like a game. And the more streaks you build, the more your brain wants to keep going. So if you keep quitting halfway, maybe the problem isn't your discipline. Maybe you just never gamified the process. Once you've built that consistency, it becomes automated. Like brushing your teeth, you don't even think about it. That's when you move on to your next goal. But don't overload yourself from the start. Pick your top 3 priorities. Work on those. Make them a habit. Then add more. Slow growth beats no growth. Always. Now let's talk real. Sometimes, your inconsistency isn't a mindset issue. It's something deeper. So ask yourself, is your health draining your energy? Is your environment full of distractions? Are you addicted to your phone? Are you surrounded by people who don't support your goals? Because no matter how much you want to stay consistent, if your surroundings are working against you, it'll be hard. So take time to reflect. Find the core reason behind your inconsistency. Fixing that will make everything else easier. Being consistent isn't about being perfect. It's about choosing to show up, even on the days when everything in you wants to quit. If you can master that, your goals aren't just possible, they're inevitable. So start small. Track your progress. Accept your off days. Keep showing up. And one day, you'll look back and realize you've become the person you always wanted to be.